Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove users from Amazon account. So first you need to open up your Amazon on your Google Chrome and try to make sure that you log in your account. So as you can see here on this screen right now, I have logged in my account. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is click this account option right here. So click this one and then you will find this option right here, your account. Now I want you to click this login and security. Now once you click this one, you need to sign in your account or your password, and then go right here on login and security. You just scroll down until you find the password. I recommend you to change the password. Then if you change the password, it will automatically sign out any users that are using your account or Amazon account. Or maybe you can go right here on the compromise account right here. Well, if you go right here, if you click this start button, then you'll find here to secure your account. Then enter the verification code that's sent to your email. Then click this submit code. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now right here, all you need to do is scroll down and click this sign out everything. So it will automatically sign out all the users that using your Amazon account. So that's how you basically remove users from Amazon account. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.